Hello everyone. Hi, I'm Swati Singla and today I'm going to discuss about a job opportunity which is work from home and which offers a really very good benefit here. So the job profile which I'm talking about is with Eureka Labs Limited, which is really a very renowned company since 1989, and this company is a manufacturer of herbal products, right? And the job profile which I'm talking about is for business development associate. So let's talk in detail about this job opportunity. First of all, this company has offered this job for the people in certain cities only, like Ghaziabad, Delhi, Noida, Meerut, Agra, Kolkata, Lucknow, Pune, Bangalore, Mumbai and neighboring cities only. So this is a job for people of these cities only and for neighboring cities. This is really a very renowned company. I have checked the web ratings and Glassdoor ratings, which is really good. You can also check on Google and you can find really some positive reviews over there. Now this is a work from home opportunity as of now, but be ready for work from office in future, because this is work from home just because of COVID as of now currently, but this can shift to work from office in near future also. If I talk about the job responsibilities, that what you have to do in this job profile, that you have to generate sales with the help of other business development associates here. That means it is totally a sales job. If you are a salesperson, if you are good in sales, if you possess really good sales skills, then this job is perfect for you. And secondly, you have to provide product informations, you have to solve customers queries, you have to prepare reports, and you have to provide those reports to management. And so these are the key responsibilities of this job. So if I talk about the eligibility criteria here, so these guys didn't mention something specific about any degree here, but yes, they have mentioned about certain skills that you must possess, like you must know MS Word and MS Excel. You should be very good in English or Hindi language. That means your spoken English and your English writing should be good. You should be creative in writing. So these are the skills they have asked for. Now if I talk about who all can apply here, so I already told you that people from certain cities only they can apply here, because they have this opening in certain cities only. Now selection process could be like, they can give you, because they have not mentioned any degree requirement here, so they have mentioned certain skills only. So based on these skills only they will recruit you. So for selection they could give you certain English or Hindi topic on the spot, and you need to write on those topics on the spot. They can also ask you to speak something about a certain topic, which they will provide you on the spot only to check your speaking abilities. They can also ask you to watch certain videos and you need to provide summary of those videos. They can also ask you to read certain articles and ask you to write a summary of those articles to check your reading capabilities. In this way they can check your spoken English or Hindi language, your English or Hindi writing skills. They can also check your Hindi or English reading skills. I mean everything. So whatever their criteria is. And apart from this, they also have mentioned, they also have asked about very good computer typing skills. That is at least 30 words per minute. And they also ask you to have really good sales skills. So they can also give you a product on the spot and ask you to sell that product to them. But one very good thing here which I like the most is, after they recruit you, you will be on a probation period for 6 months, and they will pay you for this probation period for 6 months, and this amount is really good. That is 15,000 per month, which in my opinion is really good as for probation period. And yes, if I talk about the salary package, that salary is within the band of 3 to 4 lakh per annum, wherein 80% is fixed salary, 15% is variable, the other rest 5% is other incentives. So this is, in my opinion, is really a good kind of job opportunity for you. You should not miss it. At least give it a try. You get it or you don't, this is a story for the future, but as of now, do try it, do give it an attempt. that gives you a sense of confidence, that gives you a very good experience. So in my opinion, do try it once. And this is 5 days working, that means 5 days a week job. And again, I have told you that this is work from home as of now currently, and you can apply for this job till 3rd May 2021. That means you probably have near about totally 1 month to prepare yourself for this job, and I'll provide a link to apply for this job in the description box. Do check it. You can click there and you can apply directly from there. And if you have any question, if you have any query, you can always drop a comment in the comment section. And yes, that is it from my side. This is a very good opportunity, don't miss it. And I'll see you soon in some new video. Till then, namaste.